G'day guys, come with me. I've got a beautiful one for you today. We've got a Hyundai Veloster that is here for a rectification. Now this girl got rear-ended by a Audi Q5, Q7, one of those bigger ones, which is like a 2.5 ton car. Now she got told by the other party's insurance to go to one of their shops, one of their preferred. Won't mention any names, but it's one of the real big ones that they do all the work for the big insurance companies. They do like 80 cars a week from that shop, and they're supposed to provide lifetime warranty on all their work. Now she's had issues, she's raised these issues, never really got anywhere. She brought the car to us to get inspected and rectified because she's had enough. So I'll show you some of the problems. Now if you have a look, everywhere where you see these dots, green spots, circles, they're issues. They're issues on the outside with the paint. Now what I mean by issues is in dirt in the paint. So as you can see, there's all sorts of dirt in the paint. There's a chip in the quarter panel where the bumper bars hit from the impact. The tail light moisture's up through here, so that means it's cracked, hasn't been replaced. As you can see, more dirt, rough edges around sensors, and look, all through here there's like dirt everywhere, like big chunks of dirt, and it just goes on and on. They are absolutely everywhere. So that's the problem with the paintwork. Now the tailgate itself had damage straight through the middle where the car hit. So from this end straight through. So as you can see, this gap here is really big because the tailgate's sort of folded up. It hasn't been repaired properly, and I can prove that to you, show you. There's a lot of shrink back from filler everywhere, through here, through here, through here. It's all very, very visible. Now if we say we make a reading here, it's 187, which is about right for two paint jobs. They vary somewhere between 90 and 120. But if we try and get one here, can't even get a reading here. 954, 1247, so there's a lot of filler in here. There's no reading there, so it must be pretty much bulletproof there. 1195. We've pulled the badge off so you can have a good look how much filler is in through here. All underneath here is full of runs. So they painted this handle, and there's runs, paint runs all under there, so every time she opens it she can feel those runs. Doesn't really match up here very well either. You can see that the gaps are sort of all over the place. Now when this tailgate got hit, it hit the edge of the quarter panel there. I don't know if you can see that one, it's not as bad, it's just right there on the edge. This one here, this one was brush touched, just left it like that. Don't forget, this is a shop that is supposed to give you a lifetime warranty. Now the other problem also is when they pull the glass out of this car, and that's on their quote: glass out, repair tailgate, repair back panel, repair boot floor, repair rail, all that kind of stuff is on their quote. Now the problem here is the way the glass was fitted. It's touching that metal of the gate. There should be a gap like that, and there definitely should not be a gap that big, because that gap is way too big. So this will explode. We've seen these explode a number of times when the glass has been fitted wrong. Oh, you know, this tail light's got moisture in it too, so this tail light needs to be replaced as well. And I'll show you some stuff on the inside which is pretty shocking. Apart from the trims being broken and issues, we've got We got the boot floor. That boot floor through there, look at that. That's supposed to be repaired through there. That's not repaired. That's all bent. Got a kink in that one. Wow. And look at that hole. There's a lot of hammer marks and stuff where they've beat it all out, and this trim here is obviously broken and this bracket's bent, so nothing here has been fixed. And we do have photos of this pre-accident. We've got the photos from the repairer, so we've got all their photos, and now I'll show you underneath the car. So let me get underneath and show you the rail. Now this is the rail. That rail there is kinked through here. Yeah, massive kink. That's supposed to be repaired. They did quote to repair that. You can have a look from all angles. You can see clearly that that has got a pretty big impact. So it's kinked that rail. They just sprayed some black stuff, bit of sealer, and out the door. Now these shops are doing huge amounts of cars. They're doing about 80 cars a week from one place, from what I've been told. Quality wise, well, I don't think there is any. So we'll be helping this girl out. We'll be rectifying this vehicle because she's exhausted all her avenues with the insurance company. They don't really want to help out. They're making up all sorts of stories. Now, this is what we do. This isn't the first, this isn't the last. We do them all the time. We help a lot of people out, so details are in the bio. If you're in Victoria and you're going through the same problem, you've been forced to go to one of these shops, come and see us, give us a call, and we'll help you as well.